America's first serial killer is H. H. Holmes, 1861 to 1896. The real name is Herman Webster Mudgett. He lived in Chicago, United States. Holmes built a hotel in Chicago that later became known as the Murder Castle. It was designed not for guests, but for trapping and killing them. The building included hidden passageways, soundproof rooms, gas chambers, a dissection table, a personal crematorium. Holmes lured victims, mostly young women, into his hotel under false promises of jobs or lodging, then killed them in brutal, often calculated ways. Holmes confessed to 27 murders, but investigators believe he may have killed over 100 people. Many of the victims' remains were never found, and some were sold to medical schools for dissection. Holmes was arrested in 1894, tried for murder, and executed by hanging in 1896. Before his execution, he gave contradictory confessions and maintained a cold, remorseless attitude.